Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I'm here with analysis of 26th of March 2020. So this analysis belongs to our daily forex signals. So the videos that you have seen before are based on the scalping, but this is not based on the scalping because these are my full day trading signals that I release in the morning. Okay, starting with EURUSD. So as you know that I have this is my signals report format, that's 26th of March 2020. So I have supplied the bullish trend in case of EURUSD from 109352 and 110235 is the target price. So guys, you know that in the morning I have also take a bullish trade on EURUSD, and guys, you can also see here I have basically took my on signal in the morning because I was bullish on EURUSD, and I have shown you that how I done scalping in the previous video that I posted during the midday. So guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to make the upward momentum, and finally the market hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have followed the instruction as per 200forexpips.com. They must have ended their day with a good profit on EURUSD. At next, we are going to talk about AUDUSD. So guys, I have supplied the bullish trend in case of AUDUSD from 059603. And let me take you towards the AUDUSD chart. Okay guys, we are here, and guys, you can see AUDUSD breaks the entry. That was a perfect time to enter into the trade because the hourly candle was closed above the entry line that I have provided, and you can see AUDUSD has straight moved up. So guys, this is called the day trading signal. So the previous videos are based on scalping, but this is not based on scalping. You can see the profits are much higher than the scalping because these are based on the full day trading signals. So this is more better than the scalping technique. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. So USDJPY, I have supplied the bearish signal. So let me take you towards the USDJPY chart. So guys, if you remember that the video that I have posted in the afternoon was a sell trade on USDJPY, I took my own signal on that one. USDJPY with the bearish expectation from 110289 and 108985 was the target price, and guys, you can see a big drop on USDJPY today. So I congratulate my all subscribers who are subscribed to the signals list. They must have ended up with the day with a very good profits. Okay guys, here as I am mentioning that that I have took the sell position on USDJPY, and I have shown on scalping that I was also taking sell position. It does not mean that I will follow my all signals, because on the scalping I can follow anything. I can just pick up because it's just about the 1 hour time frame when we are making the scalping videos. But when we are making the day trading videos and day trading, when we do here, it's more about taking the trades for hours. So it can be different. My trade can be different from the one that I have posted in the scalping. So do not get confused with this thing. So those subscribers who are subscribed to the signal list, they will definitely get the signals right in the morning from my side. At next, let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD. The 200forexpips.com has predicted the upward trend right in the morning from 118904 and 121487 was the target price. And guys, you can see this candle was closed above the entry. Perfect time to enter a buy position into Great Britain Pound USD, and then the market hit the target price with no problem. So result is on the screen. You can see how many pips we have caught during that trade, a massive trade. So overall, I congratulate the traders who have taken the sell positions. Okay, at next, let's talk about USDCHF. Okay guys, when I was making the scalping video, then you know that I have took a buy position on USDCHF. That's why I am saying that my recommendation is sell for today, and we have predicted the downward trend from 096268 and 096415 is the target price. And you can see we have received the downward trend, and the market exactly hit the target price. So do not be confused with the scalping videos. Do not think that when I am just going to scalp the market, because today I scalped the market in a bullish way and collected the profit within 10 to 15 minutes, and then I was out of the market on USDCHF. But later on, if we talk about the trend of the day was bearish from my side. So be careful with this, that if I'm posting the video on scalping that I'm blah blah on the particular pair like bullish bearish, it does not mean that I am following my own signal. Maybe I'm following my own signal, or maybe I am not following my own signal. So be careful with this, because scalping is another thing. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, you can see we have seen a strength today on Great Britain Pound JPY, and we have predicted the upward trend on Great Britain Pound JPY today from 131,836 and 135,332 is the target price. However, due to the slow momentum, the target price is not met, but overall you can see right from the entry, the Great Britain Pound JPY has moved up and we are extremely successful in this trade. Okay guys, at last I'm going to talk about AUDJPY. I will not talk about EURUSD because we did not talk about the losing trades in the analysis. So at last, that's AUDJPY. Okay guys, let me switch my chart. Okay guys, we are here. So this trade is just on the way because I have predicted the upward trend on AUDJPY from 66102 and 67690 is the target price. However, you can see that the market is a bit slow on AUDJPY, but we have done scalping on this one because the momentum was quite slow. So if you have done scalping on AUDJPY for a couple of hours, then you must be in profit. So overall, excellent day with signals. We have done a very good job with signals, very well. There could not be more better results than this. So guys, moreover, if you are looking to get this trading system that is attached on the chart, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you are looking to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that EURUSD is going to be bullish, bearish, whatever, when we talk about like Great Britain Pound USD, a very bullish trend, and how I predict these levels. So it's based on a very simple trick, and if you want to learn that trick, I teach this trick for $700, and I take the subscribers for 3 days Skype coaching, and you will have to come online when I prepare the signals. I will just take your 20 minutes daily, and after 3 days you will be ready to prepare your own signals, and even you can start your own signal service. So guys, if you're interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.